Do you want to understand how the world works? Are you curious about the society you live in? Are you motivated to tackle real-world problems? Do you want to help make the world a better place and enjoy a well-paid career at the same time? Have you considered studying economics? With economics, you ask big questions, such as why countries develop and why inequality persists. It also tackles the big problems, including climate change, inequality, poverty and healthcare. In order to find effective solutions to these problems, you need the insights from the economics of an economist. It's not just money and numbers and graphs. It's so much more. Your career opportunities are vast. You could advise governments on policy, help a charity to work more effectively, make sense of big data in the tech sector, regulate an industry or forecast the economy. You could do big industry work in the financial sector, for a tech company, an economic consultancy, the government or an NGO. Most economics graduates don't work as economists. Instead, they use their skills in a diverse range of careers.
Originally I'm from Eritrea and I left there when I was around age 2. And each time I went back I noticed that there were things like infrastructure where some things had improved, some got worse and some things just didn't change at all. It's only when I started A-level economics that I realised that this was to do with economics, namely resource allocation decisions by the government.
So why Bristol? The University of Bristol itself is highly ranked, but economics at Bristol has its own prominent research profile. Former professors include Nobel Prize winner Angus Deaton, and we rank first for research impact. That means not only are you taught by those doing research at the cutting edge, but their research is changing policy and practice in fields such as health, education and regulation. An economics degree equips you with a broad range of skills. You learn to analyse problems, organise, interrogate and interpret data, and to communicate your ideas.
I think an important skill has been to apply theoretical models to enhance my understanding of what's happening in the world. They're usually essential to understanding important economic trends and events, so it's important that we use them and apply them well.
In one module, you might be learning loads of maths and quantitative-based skills, and in the next minute, you might be really questioning the theory and challenging ideas and applying it to society.
At Bristol, our curriculum is broad, with a range of single and joint honours programmes, plus a wide choice of optional units, and opportunities to study abroad. Our students do just as well if they haven't studied economics at A-level or equivalent. University of Bristol graduates are the fourth most targeted by graduate employers, and economics graduates from Bristol are amongst those who gain the greatest return on their investment. If you'd like to find out more, why not visit our virtual open day?